If you guys haven't checked out your local ReStore, you definitely should, based on what I got today. I'll just give you a hint. I might need another shelf. So I went to my ReStore today to get a trim plate for one of my back boxes. I wasn't really looking forward to it. It's kind of a pain in the butt drive to get over there. You have to go on this really nasty parkway that's like speed limit 35, but people drive 65, and it's just not fun. Anyway, I decided to go there. I wasn't really looking forward to it, but I went anyway, and I'm so glad I did. Because I have a huge fire alarm lot to unbox today. I was the very first person in the door at the ReStore this morning. I got there right at 10. So if I had probably gotten there an hour later, this probably would have been gone because it's so great. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at some of the stuff we got. So the first thing we have is this Wheelock back box. I found it on the shelf, and this is what cued me in to look a little harder. It's, as you can see, it was originally red. They painted it white, it looks like, but yeah, pretty cool. So this may give you a hint what I found there, but at any rate, I've been wanting a deep back box like this for a long time, so I snatched that. And let's go over to the first device here. We have a Wheelock E70 24 MCW FW speaker strobe. So these are fire alarm speaker strobes similar to the ones I have here. However, these are the second generation, so they are multi-candela, and they do not have the Wheelock logo here. So you can go ahead and open that up here. And as you can see, it's brand new in box. It has been opened before by looky-loos to see what it was like, but the original packaging is still intact, and the alarm is in pristine condition. Still has like the screws on the back, and yeah, pretty great. As you can see, here's the back here. Pretty awesome. Now, how many of these did I actually get? Well, I found two more actually. We have one here, and we have a second right here. All of these are these E70 speaker strobes in white. There's probably some building being built somewhere, and they cleared out the extras, I guess. I don't know, but anyway, I have three of these now, which is pretty great, including the red speaker strobe that I already have. So you can go ahead and take these out of the packaging as well. So here's the second one right here. Just like that. You can just line them up right here. And the third. And I bought these for a really, really low price. The reason why I got all of these was because they were priced super low. Put in the comments how much you think I paid for this whole fire alarm lot. And the person that gets it correct, I will pin and give a shout out next video. Anyway, so we have three of these Wheelock E70 speaker strobes right here, which is pretty great. I've been wanting to get a white one for a long time. Now I have three white ones. I'm not sure if I'll keep all three. I may send one to a fellow fire alarm enthusiast in my area, but we'll see if he wants one or not. Anyway, the last and final device we have here is a Wheelock ZNS multi-candela in red. So, as you can see, this is in the original packaging, but people have definitely looked at it and tampered with it a little bit. But it is still in pristine, brand new condition. As you can see, it is a horn strobe, has the horn here, and yeah, pretty cool. On a side note, I was in the Midwest and back east a while ago, and while I was in Maryland, I stopped at ALARMS distributors in Baltimore and actually ended up getting a ZRS. So I really regretted not getting a ZNS as well because they didn't have them in stock. But now I have a ZNS to go with my ZRS, which is pretty great. I also got something else at ALARMS that I will save for a future video. So anyway, those are the alarms I got today. I'll put the back box up on the little display stand as well. Pretty great. I'm really happy with it. If you guys haven't looked at your local ReStore, you guys really should. There's really some awesome stuff there. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. I look forward to using these in future videos, and like the video, leave comments, and of course subscribe to the channel.